In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter fractions in Desmos and solve equations with fractions. So we're in the Desmos Graphing Calculator, and you first want to make sure that you know where the division symbol is. And this is the division symbol. It's in this little keyboard at the bottom of your screen, or you can use a backslash on your physical computer keyboard. So we're going to try entering the fraction 2/3. So I'm going to type 2 and this division symbol 3. Notice that the cursor automatically moved to the denominator just now, and I entered the 3 in the denominator. The other fraction I want you to type is x plus 2 all over 5. So if there's more than one term in the numerator, you're going to type the division symbol first. So when you type the division symbol, you can see that fraction setup appears for you. So I can put x plus 2 in the numerator, and I can click to the denominator and type the 5 there. All right, so now you know how to enter fractions in Desmos. I'm going to clear this out. Let's get to the meat of the lesson. So we're going to solve the equation 2/3 x plus 1/6 equals -2, and we want to find the value of x. So you're going to take this equation and split it into two equations, the left side of the equal sign and the right side of the equal sign. Each part of those you're going to have y equals in front of. Okay, so I'm going to have y equals and then everything that's on the left side of the equation, which is 2/3, move your cursor to the right, x plus 1/6. And then the right side of the equal sign in my original equation is just -2. So I'm going to have -2 over here. Notice that this equation has this green circle beside it. That corresponds to the green line on the graph. This one is purple. There's a purple line on this graph. I can hide that keyboard if I don't need it. So I'm on step 3 on your worksheet. You're looking for the point where the two lines intersect. If you don't see where they intersect or cross, then you can use these zoom in and out features, these buttons on the right. And if you zoom out too far and you're kind of lost, you can click that home button and it'll bring you back to where you started. Fortunate for me, I can see that the two lines intersect right here, and I can click on that point of intersection, and that line, that dot turns black. Here's the ordered pair. If I click this copy button, it will drop the ordered pair over on the left side of my screen. Remember, when you solve an equation, in this case I'm solving for the variable x. Well, in my ordered pair, -3 and 25/100ths, or -3.25, is the x value of the ordered pair. So this is the solution to my equation. I'm going to type that right here because I prefer my answers to be fractions. Now notice when I type this decimal that this fraction button appears. I can click it and it will convert that fraction to simplest form for me. Now, notice it's an improper fraction. Desmos isn't going to give you mixed numbers, but it will give you that improper fraction. So I have -13 over 4 as my solution to this equation. If you're used to checking your answers on paper, you can also take a solution and plug it in Desmos, and it will evaluate the expression for you. So remember, this was the left side of my equation. I'm going to just copy that right here. That was the left side of my equation. I know the variable x is now -13 over 4. So I'm going to replace it. I'm going to put parentheses around it, and I'm going to type -13 over 4. I replaced x. I substituted x into my original equation. Now, this left side of the expression evaluates to -2, which is what my right side of the equation was equal to. So this is just a way to check your answer. You know you have it correct, and this is how we use Desmos to solve equations.